Today, we take you on a journey through three of the most coveted factory-built muscle cars of the 1960s. The 1963 Pontiac 421 Super Duty, the 1963 Plymouth Max Wedge Hemi, and the 1964 Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt, each a testament to an era when raw power ruled the road. The Pontiac 421 Super Duty was born from a clandestine racing program, packing a 421 cubic inch VV8, conservatively rated at 405 horsepower and 425 pound-feet of torque, though independent dyno sessions reveal output closer to 465 horsepower and 505 pound-feet. Only 63 factory Super Duty-equipped Catalinas rolled off the assembly line in 1963, making it rarer than many European sports cars of the same period. Under that massive hood, dual Carter four-barrel carburetors and reinforced internals delivered an addictive camshaft rumble and a surge of low-end torque that still astonishes enthusiasts today. Just up the Mopar ladder was the 1963 Plymouth Max Wedge Hemi, Chrysler's brute force answer to the quarter-mile challenge, featuring a 426 cubic inch wedge head V8 rated at 425 horsepower with 13.5 to 1 compression and dual four-barrel carbs. Although street legal, Max Wedge cars were engineered for NHRA superstock dominance, routinely posting sub-12-second quarter-mile times at over 115 miles per hour straight from the showroom. A mere 226 street-legal Hemi-powered coupes were produced in '63, and each one remains a drag strip legend and a trophy for collectors. Enthusiasts still marvel at the explosive throttle response and factory-installed RAM charger upgrades that turned highways into racing lanes. Ford's answer arrived in 1964 with the Fairlane Thunderbolt, a no-compromise factory drag car built to homologate superstock competition rules and tipped the scales at just under 3,200 pounds with fiberglass fenders, hood, and bumpers. Beneath its lightweight body lay the mighty 427 cubic inch side-oiler V8, conservatively rated at 425 horsepower, but known to deliver closer to 500 in real-world trim. Ford produced only 100 Thunderbolts, 49 four-speeds and 51 automatics, to secure the 1964 NHRA Superstock Championship, and one even famously outran Cobras at Indianapolis. This factory-built racer came without radio, heater, or unnecessary trim, focusing every ounce of engineering on straight-line performance. Owning any of these cars today means joining an exclusive club where six-figure auctions are the norm, and every engine start echoes history. Imagine the Super Duty's serpentine cam rumble waking you at dawn, the Max Wedge's thunderous intake roar shaking your neighborhood, and the Thunderbolt's tire-smoking launch reminding you why muscle defined a generation. Each car demands respect, parts scarcity, specialized maintenance, and a deep dive into period-correct restoration. And yet, collectors embrace these challenges, knowing they hold a piece of automotive legend in their garage. As these icons continue to climb in value and mystique, they reveal the heart of 1960s performance culture. Bold engineering gambles, factory-backed racing efforts, and the unfiltered pursuit of speed. Which of these mechanical masterpieces would you fire up on a Sunday morning? The hidden in plain sight rarity of the Pontiac 421 Super Duty. The raw drag strip terror of the Plymouth Max Wedge Hemi. or the one-hour hero legend, the Ford Fairlane Thunderbolt? Let us know your choice in the comments below.